Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can download and overview an appraisal order. So currently we are logged in as a Thomas appraiser and we are on the appraiser orders page. Here you can see all the appraiser orders that are listed. So we'll click on this one which says in progress and acceptance if needed. When an appraisal order is assigned, so it is in the state of in progress and acceptance is needed. And on the screen, you can see that there are three buttons that says you can accept the assignment, accept with conditions, or reject. Over here, we have different tabs such as the overview, documents, and inspection. The inspection tab will be open when an assignment is accepted, and overview and documents tabs are for the appraiser so they can overview the appraisal order before they accept and they can view the documents that have been uploaded. So this is how you can overview the details of an appraisal order and the documents that are being provided. So basically to download the appraisal order, you need to click on this download button. Once the file has been downloaded, you can open that file and you can either print it and you can also view the details on this specific page. So it's the same details that are on that screen as well. For the documents, you can click on these downloads button and you can view all the like purchase contract or any of the appraisal that documents that was like previous documents were generated by this person that they have shared as a supporting document. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.